Is your Android phone feeling slow, laggy, or running out of storage? Over time, apps store temporary cache files that take up space and slow down performance. Clearing the cache can free up space and make your phone run faster. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clear cache and free up space on any Android device. Let's get started. Cache files are temporary data stored by apps to help them load faster. While cache can improve performance, it can also take up valuable storage space and cause apps to crash or slow down over time. Clearing the cache removes unnecessary temporary files without deleting personal data, such as messages, photos, or saved settings. To clear the cache for a single app, open Settings and go to Apps and Notifications, or simply Apps on some devices. Find the app that's taking up too much space and tap on it. Then go to Storage and Cache and tap Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files without affecting the app's settings or data. If an app is acting slow, clearing its cache can often fix issues like crashes and lag. You can also go to Settings and tap on Storage and then Apps. This will show you all the apps and the space they occupy on your device, so you can delete the apps you no longer need or delete the cache data. For those who need to free up even more storage, clearing junk files and unused data can make a big difference. Open Settings. Then Storage and check the breakdown of what's using space. Tap on Free Up Space or Smart Storage if available. This will suggest files, old downloads, and large apps you can safely remove. Another effective way to clear storage is by using Google Files, a free app that helps delete unnecessary files, duplicate photos, and old media from messaging apps. Open the app, tap Clean, and follow the recommendations to delete temporary files and clear up space without affecting your important data. If you're running out of space, another way to optimize your phone is by moving files to cloud storage or an SD card. Google Photos offers free cloud storage for images and videos, allowing you to delete them from your device while keeping a backup. If your phone supports an SD card, you can move apps, media, and downloads to external storage to free up space on your internal memory. Clearing cache and managing storage regularly can keep your Android phone running smoothly and prevent performance issues. Whether you clear cache from individual apps, use built-in storage tools, or move files to the cloud, these methods will help boost your phone's speed and free up valuable space. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. See you in the next one.